How to sign out your Etsy account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon, and here there's a section called Settings. Simply tap on Settings. So now we're in this settings interface. Here you'll be able to find different options and can even customize it. Here on the bottom there's a sign out button. Simply tap on sign out. Now before doing so, make sure you have your user ID and password saved because you might need it later. At last, hit on sign out and it's all set to go. You have successfully logged out from your account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.